What happens when a 3-year office affair collides with child support demands? In Judge Vonda's courtroom, secrets explode, lies unravel, and one DNA test changes everything. This isn't just child support, it's a scandal-turned courtroom knockout.
I understand that you may have been seeing some other people in addition to me. And the reason that I haven't provided...
Well, those are rumors. Well, maybe you should have been obligated to your wife whenever you were having an affair with me.
Ooh, wasn't expecting that much tea.
Wasn't expecting this much tea today. A receptionist drags her manager to court for child support, only to have her 3-year affair explode right in Judge Vonda's face.
Okay, Miss Canada. All right. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm seeking child support and back.
Rachel claims 3 years of unpaid child support. Terry stays calm, but drops one condition: no payments until a DNA test proves the child is actually his.
Straightforward. That's what I like. Just get right into it. How old is the child?
The child is now 3 years old.
3 years old.
And I have not received any child support.
In 3 years?
Tension skyrockets when Terry exposes Rachel's alleged flings during their affair. Rumors, denials, and accusations fill the courtroom. Sparks fly as Rachel's composure begins to crack.
All right. Sir, is there a reason you haven't given her any child support in the past 3 years?
Yes, ma'am, there is.
What is that?
We've been discussing the paternity obligation.
The affair gets messy. Rachel admits Terry was married. Judge and viewers alike lean in. This is no longer about money. It's scandal, betrayal, and tangled lives colliding.
Under the circumstances, I don't think I was the only person having a fling with Rocky at the time that she and I had that time together.
Bombshell. Rachel works as Terry's receptionist. He's her manager. Courtroom gasps. Office romance gone nuclear. Now spilling into child support and a secret life Terry hoped to hide.
Excuse me? Are you implying something?
Well, what I'm trying to say is that I understand that you may have been seeing some other people in addition to me. And
Judge Vonda cuts through the drama. Before child support, paternity must be confirmed. No DNA test, no payments. Rachel's case suddenly collapses under its own weight.
Well, those are rumors.
I understand that. I understand that. But you haven't complied with my request for DNA test either. And that's my key. Is that if I have an obligation, I like to make sure it is my obligation and not the obligation of some other father.
Rachel tries to push back, but Judge reminds her, bring as many men as you want. We'll test them all. Courtroom laughs, Rachel freezes.
Well, maybe you should have been obligated to your wife whenever you were having an affair with me.
You're right about that. And honest
so
truth
you are admitting that you're married?
Yes.
Terry quickly agrees. DNA test right now. His confidence screams one thing. He doesn't believe the child is his. Rachel's face says otherwise.
I've told her that we had this fling.
You didn't tell me you were married until after.
That's correct. I did not tell you.
I'm sorry, I won't disrupt you guys anymore.
The results come back. Terry is not the father. Rachel's accusations, her demands, her courtroom attack, it all crumbles to dust in seconds.
So, from my perspective, Your Honor, I certainly understand the situation. I'm not trying to be hard-hearted, so to speak, about this. But I think that there's some other questions that need to be answered before we agree on paying any kind of support, because at this point, we haven't confirmed whose child this is.
Case closed. Judge Vonda delivers the final blow. Child support denied. Rachel leaves empty-handed, and Terry walks free. This wasn't justice. It was a total courtroom knockout.
Well, I definitely have some questions, too. But I don't think they have anything to do with child support. It's more about you guys' backstory, but that has nothing to do.
Bombshell. Rachel works as Terry's receptionist. He's her manager. Courtroom gasps. Office romance gone nuclear. Now spilling into child support and a secret life Terry hoped to hide.
Has this man taken a DNA test at all?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. Did he sign anything at the hospital?
No, he wasn't
acknowledging that he was the father? Okay.
Rachel tries to push back, but Judge reminds her, Bring as many men as you want. We'll test them all. Courtroom laughs, Rachel freezes.
Point. Before we can actually place him on child support, he either has to accept parentage, which, according to what I'm hearing, you're really not accepting it.
He's in denial about his affair and doesn't want his wife to find.
The results come back. Terry is not the father. Rachel's accusations, her demands, her courtroom attack, it all crumbles to dust in seconds.
Wife knows.
Oh,
Yeah,
she
right.
knows now.
He's lying.
You told her?
I would have heard from her by now. I work with him, ma'am.
Oh. At the welding place?
I'm a receptionist there.
Receptionist there, I'm a manager.
That's how we met.
You're her direct manager. Oh, okay. Ooh, wasn't expecting that much tea this morning. So, he's entitled to a DNA test.
Sure.
Okay. So before we can move forward with anything in terms of child support, looking at your financial documents you provided, he first needs to get a DNA test.
Bombshell. Rachel works as Terry's receptionist. He's her manager. Courtroom gasps. Office romance gone nuclear. Now spilling into child support and a secret life Terry hoped to hide.
Welcome to bring back as many people as necessary. I'm not implying by any means that what he's saying is true.
Right. He's
but
definitely
if he's
the
not
father.
the father, you can bring back as many people as necessary to get DNA tested, and we actually find the father and place him on child.
Well, I know who it is, so that's not necessary, but thank you.
Okay. Is there anything further?
Your Honor, can we get your assistance in having this thing compelled so that we can get this DNA testing done expeditiously?
Oh, yeah, most definitely.
The results come back. Terry is not the father. Rachel's accusations, her demands, her courtroom attack, it all crumbles to dust in seconds.
And it will be done through the Attorney General's office.
Okay.
Because they are actually on site in the courtroom, and it will be in the courthouse rather. And it will be much easier and free to you all to go ahead and use their.
Rocky,
You're welcome.
if I have obligations here, I'll stand behind them.
I appreciate that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bombshell. Rachel works as Terry's receptionist. He's her manager. Courtroom gasps. Office romance gone nuclear. Now spilling into child support and a secret life Terry hoped to hide.